Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick half up half down hairstyle in less than 2 minutes. I've started off with a side parting and we're just going to gather up the crown area and tie this at the back with a clear elastic band. Now divide off the hair from the ear upwards at the front, and we're just going to bring this around to the back, and we're going to make a small hole with our fingers in the opposite side and pass that hair through the hole, and then just secure this to the head with a bobby pin or two. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side. I'm going to take the hair from the ear upwards, smooth it out and bring it around to the back of the head. Then we're going to create a small hole in the opposite side, poke our fingers through the hole, grab the hair and pull it through. Then secure this to the head with a bobby pin. Now you can leave this hairstyle smooth, or if you like a bit of texture, take your fingers and gently pinch and pull at all the sections of the hair. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.